Well, it's Thursday morning and it's a very bright morning with some blue skies, and I'm on the weir again at Ban now, and the river is considerably lower. The river is 4 meters, 12 feet lower, so that's a good sign. Now then, it didn't rain last night, and I thought, whoopee, I can maybe cut the lawn today. And then this morning, you know what, it started raining. So I've come here this morning to photograph the river, or to start to photograph it. I'm going to photograph it 2 or 3 times a month and then send the results off to retired painter. Now already you can see where the river goes up and disappears in the distance, and the mountains shrouded in mist behind. And I brought my Canon, and guess what? Battery flat. And the battery was fully charged. But Mr. Fingers, i.e. Otto, who's got to push every button and pull every switch he finds, switched it and left it on. I know, I should have put it where he couldn't reach it. He's a rascal. So there you go. The best laid plans of mice and men. I'll go home. This is flooding in front of the hospital on the main police station. This is new. Looks like the water's on the rise again. I don't know where this has come from. It's clearly coming from down the hill. And there's a helicopter at the police station. There was the Deputy Prime Minister came to visit. Wow, that's quite deep. We're coming on to the local hospital here. It's flooding into the hospital grounds. A&E is raised, but wow. But I can see the car parks and the main wards are flooded.